Hello and welcome to this new video on how to map OneDrive to File Explorer. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos, and let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. You just have to click on it. Now you just have to type OneDrive and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the download text. Just click on it and download interface will be shown to you right in front of your screen. Now you just have to click on the download button that is shown to you on the screen, and after that the download procedure will begin. And when OneDrive has been completely downloaded in your PC or your device, you just have to follow through the instruction and set up the OneDrive. And when you have finished setting up the OneDrive, you just have to go to my PC and you will be able to see OneDrive in the File Explorer, which basically means that if you download the OneDrive and set up it will automatically map OneDrive to File Explorer. So this is how you can easily map OneDrive to File Explorer. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to give a like button. Thank you.